it's Gina with WTI, and if you're a cat owner like I am, and you're tired of your furniture getting beat up by a rambunctious kitty cat, then you may want to check out Cat Scratch Furniture Protection from JINVOGREEN. I got the pack that comes with 18 pieces total. They're all 17 inches long, and then one is 12 inches wide and the other one is 6 inches wide. I found that for our needs, I ended up cutting the larger pieces into 3 strips because my cat mainly loves tearing up the tops and sides of our furniture. I use these on furniture that we have in our outside rec room. As you can see from the way that I'm cutting this, I didn't care that the pieces were even, and I did accidentally drop a couple and they got covered with dust and stuff. So for sure you want to clean your furniture and be careful about putting it on if you have it inside. This adheres well, but not so much that it will damage your furniture when you peel it off. And I like that it's clear. That way I can still see my furniture underneath. The slippery surface has worked really well to keep my cat from clawing things. I think that these are a good value, they work really well, and of course, less expensive than having to replace your furniture. I think you'll like them too, and that's my point of view.